I've got a product here from Adams Polishes. Use a lot of their different products. This one's called Iron Remover. And we wrap cars and we ceramic coat cars and all that kind of stuff. So we clay bar a lot. Now, before you even clay bar, what people don't realize is there can be other things in the paint, like rust, iron deposits, that kind of thing. This iron remover is safe. You don't water it down. I come here in a 2-pack, and you want to use this first. And basically, so I've got a wheel here. This I haven't touched it. This got brake dust. And on wheels, you're going to get some iron deposits because of if you're using semi-metallic pads. And say you're going to treat this wheel. Well, you want to get everything off of it. So first step is iron remover. And you're going to spray, obviously. And if it has any iron in it, what will happen here is it'll turn purple. It'll show you where it's working. And you just let it do its thing. Obviously, I don't want to do it out in the sun, but we'll let it do its thing. Over here, I can do this. This is a steel wheel, and I already see, there's some iron. The same thing with paint. Now this has already been wrapped, but we'll head over and do some paint. If you're serious about prepping your vehicles, iron remover would be step one. Adams Polishes, they make numerous things, but their iron remover works really well. It's safe on clear coats, vinyls, mag wheels, show trucks, you name it. Try that out, spray, and then rinse.